Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So as you read by the title, today I will be reviewing about masks that I recently purchased from Nat Habit. So for those who do not know what Nat Habit is a fresh homemade Ayurvedic kind of a brand. It has all their products which are chemical free, cruelty free and preservative free. So they have products that are made from real ingredients, that are natural ingredients. And yeah, I purchased a few masks from their website. I have been using these masks and I thought of sharing my views on them and showing you the masks that I have face mask, foot mask and bathing mask as well. So these are the masks that I have. So they come in these pouches and you need to keep this in your fridge because again these are chemical free and preservative free. They are all made of natural ingredients, so you need to refrigerate them. Starting with the first mask that I have, this is an underarm Uptan. It's for brightening, softening and odor control. This is the lemon drop, orange peel and fresh lemon juice in it. So you have the ingredients written on all the pouches at the front. This one is for rupees 161 and it's a 40-gram pouch. The next one is a foot Uptan and this is a 3P fruit AHA. It has pumpkin, papaya and pineapple. This is for 168 and again it's a 40-gram mask. Third one is a bath Uptan and this is for skin polishing and brightening. It has masoor rub. So the ingredients are basically masoor, gram flour, which is besan. Then you have yogurt, neem, raw milk, orange, almond oil and sesame oil. So I have these 4 face masks with me. These are the shade Lepa face masks and I will be using them one by one and will be showing you guys the formulation. First one is the orange kalonji, which is for pigmentation, spots and blemish control. So this has an orange fragrance and it has yogurt, honey and turmeric. So I can actually feel the fragrance of turmeric while applying, and orange as well. Very gentle to apply. The granules are not harsh at all. I'll keep this on and I'll show you the other one. Then I have the gulab khas. This is for pore refining and tightening. This is not harsh and I can actually feel the rose petals while applying. Then I have the Chandan Naga Kesar. This one is for prime radiance and inner glow. This is also not harsh and not drying. It has sandalwood fragrance in it. All these face masks are very gentle to use. Till now I am not feeling any burning sensation on my skin. The last one is a tamarind kasturi and this is a deep tan and brightening face mask. This has a tamarind fragrance. Even though they're all natural ingredients, but they don't smell bad. They can be used. They're not drying my skin till now. Feeling a little cooling and a tingling sensation in between, but I think that's normal because these are all natural ingredients. I'll keep them on for 15 minutes and then I'll show you the results. It's been 15 minutes now and the mask has dried and it's not feeling hard like a clay mask. You can see the difference now. My face is not drying and it's very smooth. Although it's likha hua hai that you can apply a moisturizer, but I don't feel the need of applying a moisturizer. So this was the review. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I'll be coming up with more review videos and hauls very soon. Thank you so much for watching.